When fire breaks out in building complexes such as shopping centers, offices, hotels, and educational institutions, protecting people's safety is the top priority. Among other aspects, it's essential to prevent fire and smoke from spreading throughout the entire building for as long as possible. Compartmentalization into individual smoke and fire zones protects adjacent areas and creates safe routes for escape and rescue. That's why it's important to create smoke barriers by closing existing openings. STÖBICH Fire Protection is the world's leading expert for smoke curtains, textile smoke barriers, and fire curtains, offering optimal solutions for any architectural situation. The risk of fire spreading is particularly high in the corners of buildings. Fire protection curtains for facades are a good alternative to the more expensive option of insulating fire-resistant glazing. The special design and built-in heat elements ensure reliable closure even during inclement or cold weather. As an alternative to partitions or compartmentalization in outdoor areas, openings between walls can be closed off using concealed fire protection curtains. This is often a particularly beneficial option for the facades of historical buildings. Smoke curtains are an integral part of any smoke control and dissipation concept, as they hinder the uncontrolled spread of smoke and gas within a given structure. Fixed smoke curtains are the simplest type of smoke barriers. They can be installed in unlimited widths and can even be used to partition continuous pipes and conduits. Automatic smoke curtains can also be rolled up and concealed in nearly any architectural space. They unroll to their in-use position only in case of a fire alarm. In this case, it is important to compensate for lateral leakage. Guide tracks are available for this purpose. When smoke barriers are required that reach from the ceiling to the floor but must still allow for people to pass through, the solution is a so-called passable smoke curtain, specially designed to allow individuals out and rescue personnel in while still minimizing the spread of smoke. They comprise of individual overlapping strips of fabric that provide openings while still preventing the spread of smoke. Conventional fire curtain systems are unsuitable for use on round or elliptical openings. For these situations, STÖBICH offers special curved smoke curtains in an open or closed design. The fabric is gathered and stored above the suspended ceiling. Smoke curtains around corners satisfy the high demands of any smoke extraction concept, as well as special architectural and design needs. The way the textile is gathered makes it possible to protect polygonal areas too, without gaps and without requiring additional support in corners. Fire protection closures seal gaps and openings in walls and ceilings in case of fire. The way they are designed and installed, as well as the textiles used, enable a broad range of applications of various classifications and time categories. Casings and guide tracks can be installed virtually invisibly within the structure and allow for plenty of design leeway in open spaces and a variety of architectural concepts. Heat insulating fire curtains combine modern high-performance fabrics with insulating materials that actually absorb heat in case of fire. This makes additional compensatory measures, such as condensed sprinkler systems and fire load-free zones, unnecessary. Moreover, these curtain systems can be combined with a variety of different high-speed doors. This expanded option combines doors and curtains that, besides offering protection in case of fire, also have beneficial effects on heating and cooling efforts while optimizing operational processes and material flows. Folded and gathered fire protection curtains can be used to seal off spaces in areas with right angles. These flexible systems can be installed along an area's entire perimeter or can end when they meet a wall. In both cases, no additional structural supports are needed in the corner. design advancement of the folding curtains around corners is the implementation as a thermal insulating system. The EI-120 protection target is achieved through a combination of folding and rolling technology. The outermost side of the system includes fabric that folds out, just like a standard system. The inner side of the system has a second fabric that unrolls from a tube. If cooling is necessary, sprinklers can be placed in the space between the two fabrics. Optionally, the system can even be equipped with one or more escape or passage slits. Fire protection curtains for openings and ceilings prevent fire and smoke from spreading to other floors, while preserving the benefits of atrium design and making the most of sunlight. A two-part version is available for oversized openings. Textile smoke closures prevent dangerous gases from spreading. They are subject to considerably higher requirements regarding pressure and leakage than smoke curtains or other tight sealing closures. The combination of perimeter edge sealing and special fabrics makes it possible to protect against both fire and smoke at the same time.